game is called Separating More Sticky Sounds. Your child will remove the first consonant from a four-sound word with an initial consonant blend to create a new word. This game focuses on removing the first sound from a consonant blend at the beginning of a four-sound word in order to make a three-sound word. It is the exact opposite of more sticky sounds. Go to our website to print out the work mat, word list, and sound counting markers. You only need 4 of the markers for this activity. Start out by explaining the concept of the game to your child like this. You've already learned about sticky sounds that like to stick together at the beginning of a word. In this game, we're going to do more practice pulling those sticky sounds apart. You will listen very carefully to the beginning sounds of a word. I'm going to remind you how to take one of the sticky sounds away from the beginning of a word to make a new, shorter word. Put the sound counting markers and the work mat in front of the child. He will use these to count the sounds in the words of this activity. Remind him that we read words from left to right. Have him use his index finger to trace the arrow from the green circle to the red triangle. Use these markers to show me the sounds in the word I say. Listen carefully. Flip. I did a flip on the trampoline. Say flip. What word?
Flip.
Yes. Say the sounds in flip and put a marker on the mat for each sound you say.
O, E, P.
Good job. You placed the sound markers in just the right order to make the word flip. Now tell the child how to count the sounds in a second word by putting sound counting markers on the bottom arrow of the work mat. I'm going to say another word, and you're going to count the sounds again. If you hear a sound that you already used to make the word flip, move that sound marker down from that word. What was the first word?
Flip.
Yes. Here's my new word. Listen. Lip. When I pout, I stick out my lip. What word?
Lip.
Now say all the sounds in lip and put them in the order that you say them on the mat. Remember, if you need a sound marker that you already used for a sound in flip, pick up the marker from the top arrow and move it to the right place on the bottom arrow.
Oh, that was in flip, so I'll move this marker down here. That was in flip too, so I'll move this marker down here.
Did you use the P marker for one of the sounds in flip?
Yes, so I'll move this marker down here.
Good. Now say the sounds in your new word quickly.
Lip.
What sound in flip did you not use to make lip? That's right. And oo are sticky sounds in the word flip, but you pulled them apart and cut off the f sound to make the word lip. Once your child has successfully completed one round of the game, have him remove the sound counting markers from the mat before starting the next round. One session of this game should last 10 to 15 minutes with you and your child covering 6 to 8 word pairs. Repeat these word pairs several times in a session in random order to give your child lots of practice. And that's how we play Separating More Sticky Sounds.